Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.1% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
A near-total ban on imports of US crude into the European Union is finally hitting Russia's oil revenue. Concerns that it would provide the Kremlin with a windfall to fund its war in Ukraine have been confounded for now. The Bank of England is expected to raise interest rates to 3.5% next week, when the Monetary Policy Committee convenes to decide the official interest rate for the United Kingdom. The US dollar edged higher against the euro after US producer inflation data for last month came in slightly hotter than expected, bolstering the case for continued interest rate hikes by the US Federal Reserve, even if at a slower pace.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US monthly budget statement will be released at 1900 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1630 GMT. Finland's current account at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's machine tool orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.